I the a-hole for celebrating my anniversary despite what happened at my wedding? My husband and I got married last year at a beautiful venue that bordered a lake. Unfortunately, during the reception, a young child wandered away from their parents and decided to go for a swim despite not knowing how. This was tragic and devastating, and obviously cut the day short. We haven't really spoken to the parents since then, as we weren't close to them aside from seeing them on holidays, which haven't happened this year. We are still Facebook friends though. When our first anniversary came around, I made a post celebrating it with a few wedding photos. I didn't think much of it until the comments started pouring in. I woke up to 30 comments and 15 missed calls. The top comment was from the mother of the child, who was outraged about it. She wrote a very long comment about how my post was disrespectful of the tragedy that had happened that day, and how dare I post that and not mention her child, and of course, talk to her first. 30 comments later, and it was clear that the entire family had started to take sides in a battle I didn't realize I created. My friends and my parents are involved too. Half of his family is screaming for me to take it down, apologize to the parents, and show more respect, possibly by even celebrating our anniversary on a different day. Others say we can celebrate but should keep it offline to keep the peace.